Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another London session market analysis. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Give you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But again, do check out those tutorial videos as well. Definitely helpful if you want to learn a little bit about trading. And also we have US session live market analysis videos that we put up an hour before the open of the US session. So definitely check those out as well. Definitely helpful. But other than that, let's go ahead and jump into it. So we've seen S&P 500 fall really far down from where we were at off the open. You were somewhere right around these resistances all the way up here. So you can see nice pull down, and we're down somewhere right around these 46.69 25s right now. I want to see if we get a support bounce here, or if we dive just a little bit deeper into these 6150s. From there, I may end up looking for a fade back up. So we'll see. Either these 68 to 69s may get the bounce. If not here, look for this to come down somewhere around here. Nice main support here at 6150. May end up getting a nice bounce from that area and then pushing right back up. Now we do got resistance is above 89.75, and then 96.25 as another resistance above that, and then above that is 47.0425. So do want to see if the market does pull back into this area. May end up continuing down in this bearish trend, so it's going to be a little bit more riskier to try to catch a fade. So just want to keep that in mind. Could get a little bit risky trying to catch this long up. If you're going to want to trend trade, look for the pullbacks and continuations. It's going to be here at 89.75 to try to catch this downside continuation. If not there, 96.25, and if not there, right over here, 47.0425 as the top of this nice double top peak that we had prior. So that could be some good opportunities there to try to short it right back down in this downtrend. So just keep that in mind, but looking for this thing to maybe exhaust around this area, and if it does, then maybe allow S&P to try to gradually pull back and maybe catch that pullback on the way back up. So we'll see for that. Let's move over into gold. Let's take a look at what gold is giving us. So gold, kind of similar scenario, but we're coming into support here right around these 1804.1s to about 1800.9. So keep that in mind. This may be an area where we look for a nice bounce and push right back up into these 14.3s. This area here, though, could be the short opportunity you get to try to continue this move down. If we fail to get through it, we could look for the shorts there to continue the push lower past 1800 into 7098.2 and then 1789.3 as the next areas of support down below. If we don't stall there at 1814.3, next level of resistance above that is going to be 1820.4 and then 1825 and 18, I believe this is 1830. Yep, 1830.7 up at the top for resistance there. So got to keep an eye out for that. But right now, as we draw into the London session hours, want to see if we're right around this area still holding this support. If we are, may get a long opportunity right back up into this resistance level here. So keep an eye out for that. If you don't want to trade that long back up, here's going to be your first short, 1814.3. So just keep that in mind as we're drawing into the London session for this one here. Moving over into crude oil. So pulling the charts up for crude oil, looking for crude oil to get down to support here at 76.47. That seems to be the target area that we're trying to target here on crude oil. So want to let it get down into this area, and if not there, next level down below, 76 even. These are going to be the two areas we look for the market to come down to. So if you want to try to short it to anywhere, that's where we're going to be looking for that market to short to. If not, we're going to bounce from that area and maybe get a nice long from that area and try to get a bounce right back up to resistance. Resistance is sitting up here right around these 77.21s, and then above that 77.52 to about 77.64 as the next level. So if we fail to get through this one here at 64, could look for a nice double top and then a push lower after that. So just keep that in mind. That could be a good short opportunity if we don't get through that level. And if we don't get up to that level and we fail here at these 21s, this could be another good short opportunity as well, right off these 77.21. So those are going to be our shorts. Longs 76.47, and then below that 76 even is our next long area as well. So we're going to be looking for some buying opportunities there. If we just don't flush right through that and we start to rotate, that should be a good opportunity right back up. So we'll keep that in mind as well as we draw in to the London session for crude oil. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But with that said, if you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. You guys take care. Have a great night. Bye.